let's get into it. We got beneficial tails, also known as vegan oxtails, with the beneficial crude.
Hey, yay, -2. Because they sleep right now. But anyway, go ahead, baby.
All right, so we got the taste test going on. Now we're about to get right into it. Black eyed peas, 2 cups of black eyed peas, and 2 cups of black beans, along with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce,
Worcestershire sauce.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some pink salt, some Tbs sugar, about 2 tablespoons,
Mm-hmm.
some garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of that there, a little bit of paprika, about 1/4 teaspoon, and some browning seasoning, 2 teaspoons of that, that
Mm-hmm.
extra tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed
Y'all
oil,
see me add that black pepper?
and some oyster mushrooms and button mushrooms, about 2 cups of that. Mix it up a little bit, then add some black eyed pea flour or your preferred bean flour.
Garbanzo bean flour, just any type of fine flour to mix in there to help it stick together.
Bean
Bean
flour.
flour, my bad. What baby said.
You have to use the bean flour because not the regular flour gets mushy.
Yeah, I heard that.
So I'm gonna slice 2 bags open so we can start assembling our tails here. No, we don't
Just
waste
some
no time.
plastic bags we got from the grocery store.
Yeah, some rice paper here. We cut the rice paper up in strips and celery to go in the middle. So right here, we did a couple things backwards, so we had to start over. So make sure you put some bean flour down first. You put the strips in, and then kind of roll it up a little bit.
Look, baby messed up on that one. Look, she gonna do another one. She gonna do it all right. But you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I messed up on that one too. I didn't do that one correctly
Yeah.
either.
So, but you can pretty much see what the process is. So you
That's
get the
rice
gist of it.
paper. I'm putting it in between. I'm just layering the mixture and then layering some rice paper. Then we're gonna roll it all up into rice paper. The rice paper kind of mimics the texture of the fat in meat. So if you're really into meat, you'll really enjoy this recipe. So you just freeze it for a little while and really prefer 24 hours. We did ours a couple hours.
So you see, she put the little bean flour down there and got her some wet rice paper. Put that down. Got the little mixture. Put it down. Put some more little strips of rice paper. Put your little celery stick in the middle. Put some more of that there on top. Put just some more rice paper on. And then she gonna roll that bad boy up like that there.
Yeah.
Get you some more rice paper. Roll it up. Put you some more bean flour on there so it won't stick. Put that in the freezer. Let it freeze. Up that. It's my time to shine. I ain't making nothing but just some old sauteed oyster mushrooms with a little onion, garlic, and some scallions. That's all, you know. Baby over there making some cornbread, jalapeno cornbread. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just over there doing my little thing. It ain't nothing special. It's just,
Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little onion powder.
you know what I'm saying? Flick of the wrist type shit. Oh, am I supposed to cuss?
You already
Anywho,
did.
you see what I do. Yeah,
Taste
just,
testers, they got Cassie's stamp of approval. Oh yeah, she was back there dancing. Oh yeah.
yeah. All right, back to you.
All right, so now we just got those out the freezer. They stayed in the freezer about an hour or two. And there you go. You can see what they look like on the inside. And put them in the pan, Thought I was going to show y'all again, didn't. That's just the ingredients for the mixture. I was going too fast to tell you, but I'm going to tell you again. Once we get to cooking everything, oh my goodness.
So you got your little grease in the pan. You want to take all your little slices down. Have your little fire on kind of medium. Let it sit now. Let it brine a little bit.
Yeah, they don't take long to cook at all. I mean, technically everything is already cooked. So all you're doing is making sure it just stays together. So I just flipped them. You see they're slightly browned. And then we're going to flip them on their side so they can, crisp up the rice paper a little bit. And then it will make sure that all of the mixture stays intact. So that's another benefit of using rice paper to wrap it up in. I don't have to wait 24 hours before I can have to cook them, because if not, they'll fall apart you trying to cook them if you don't wait the full time. And you see they're out the pan. Now I'm putting some tomatoes, garlic, and some onions in, sauteing them a little bit, a little pink salt. Then I'm going to add in some allspice here. Mix that around a little bit. Some celery. Saute that. Then I'm going to add in some water. About a half a cup of water. And then the apple cider vinegar, about 2 teaspoons of that. A tablespoon of tomato paste, black pepper, another half a cup of water, about 2 teaspoons of browning.
And them oxtails, them beneficial tails soak up that water. So depending on how many you got, goes on how much water you're going to add. But anyway, check out the rest of the video.
All right, so it's been about 5 minutes now, and our sauce is pretty much ready. I like to add my bell peppers and sweet peppers in last. That way all the nutrients don't get kicked out of
Put
them.
all of them.
Gonna add our VeggieTales back to our sauce mixture here. Oh, let me taste the sauce. Taste the sauce, make sure it has enough seasoning. Taste straight. It tastes like it traditionally tastes. It tastes delicious. Just gonna add those VeggieTales back on in there. 1996 when I started getting shit, and I'm still here. Started off with nothing and turned it into something. A lot of $100 bills here. Very few rich niggas, whole lot of bitch niggas. That's just how it is here. Not just from this city, I run this city. Look at everything I did here. All that goes in there. Topped with some scallions. And potatoes, carrots, been pre-steamed. Y'all didn't see that?
I didn't know that.
Oh, well, bam. And we're done. Add some final touches on seasoning, salt, and salt.
A little more salt.
Salt. Top back on for another 2 minutes, and it's done. Top no heat. You turn the stove off and just let it simmer for about a minute or two, and you're ready. Put it over rice with your sides. You're good to go.
It's a family thing.